It's now time for the financial week. The International Monetary Fund has reached a staff-level agreement with Jamaica on the completion of the first review of the precautionary and liquidity line and the resilience and sustainable facility. The agreements are subject to approval by the IMF Executive Board, which is expected to consider the reviews in August. Now, according to the IMF in a statement, the authorities have made good progress in implementing their policy agenda under the precautionary and liquidity line. They overperformed on indicative targets and met structural benchmarks. It also noted that the commitment to macroeconomic stability and strong policy frameworks continue to allow Jamaica to navigate the difficult global environment smoothly. Now, the precautionary and liquidity line provides insurance against downside risks, while the resilience and sustainability facility supports Jamaica's agenda to increase resilience to climate change, transition to a zero-carbon economy, and catalyze climate financing. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has joined the calls for multilateral financial institutions to review the criteria to determine how support is given. He was speaking during a meeting with representatives of the World Bank and the Inter-American Development Bank, IDB, at Jamaica House this week. Now, the multilaterals have been criticized for relying too much on gross domestic product, GDP, as the main metric for support.
We use this platform, having you, Mr. President, to endorse the call for a system that looks fairly on countries like Jamaica in terms of how we get access to concessional financing and support.
LASCO Jamaica has appointed a new chairman to lead a number of companies in the group. Mr. James E.D. Rawle was appointed effective Thursday, June 15. He will chair the board for LASCO Distributors, LASCO Manufacturing, and LASCO Financial Services. Mr. Rawle is also managing director of LASCO Manufacturing. His appointment as chairman comes after the passing of the late chairman and CEO of LASCO, Lascelles Chin, who died in May. To the currency market now, the US dollar is being sold for an average $155.12. $117.45 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $199.62, while the average selling rate for the euro is $172.08. The JSE index lost 844 points today, while the junior market index gained 45 points. Among the 49 winners, Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Cargo Handlers, Cygnus Credit Investment US dollar shares, and JMMB Group 5.75% CR Preference US dollar shares. Now, leading the 47 losers were Sterling Investments US dollar shares, JMMB Group 7% VRCR Preference shares, Berger Paints Jamaica, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, and Iron Rock Insurance. 19 stocks traded firm. And that's it for the Financial Week. News from overseas when we return.